Crafty Hope, and I am working on making a couple of wire frames like this for a pair of earrings. Now I've already got this one made and kind of, I think, figured out, so I thought I'd pop in and show you how I did it. I am using a wire jig. This one is from Wild Wire, and it comes with all kinds of, I don't know, little tools and things, and I don't know what some of these things do. There are instructions. I've had this forever. I hardly ever use it, but it's great when you want to make consistently a shape with wire. So I am using some 19 gauge black annealed wire that I've sealed and done all the things that I like to do with wire to make sure it's not gross and nasty. So, and I'm just taking a length, this is probably 8 inches or so, and I am going to, I've already used my little pegs, and it's nice that it comes with this big round one if you want to make some kind of big loop. So I've made my shape, which is kind of a pyramid shape, with a couple points up at the top. You see where I've done these 2 points at the top, so, and I think that is what's going to work best for me. So I am placing my wire about center around the loop, and I am going to ease my wire up and over this first loop. See, it goes around like that. And I'm going to hold it and circle it around to make a loop. Can get it. There we go. Alright, so there's a loop there, and I'm taking the other side and again wrapping it around. Oh, I did the wrong thing. Alright, I'm going to move my pen over to the other side because I went the wrong way. So I have moved the pen that was on the left extra over to the right. And I'm taking that, and I'm using that pen that I just moved to help me bend this one out. So I'll let you have a look at that. Now, here's where the technique gets a little fiddly, is you've got to get it off, and hopefully not remove any of your pegs, because if you want to make more of that shape, you want to keep your pegs where they are. So from there, I have my loop and my wire, and I really just want to take and wrap this first loop around, hopefully a time or two, just to secure it. And then I'm going to hold from here with some chain nose pliers where that was bent, and wrap it a time or two to secure it. And then I'm going to trim my wires. Try not to cut any of the others in excess. And secure the ends. I've got, where did I put my original one? I want to make sure that I wrap this one about the same number of times I wrapped my original one, so they match as much as possible. So alright, and then I'm going to trim it. And tuck the end. If I can. It's being fiddly. This 19 gauge wire is so thick. Alright. There we go. And then hopefully they match. And if they don't, I can always put this back on the jig and reshape it if I have it on the right way. So for some reason it's not going on there, so I definitely need to reshape it. There we go. Alright, so that helps me make sure it's the same shape And I have two nice little hoops that I can move on, and what I'm going to do is string some beads across it to make some fun little earrings. But that, I like using the wire jig because especially if I need two of the same size of something, this helps me make sure that I'm getting two of the same size of something, so it's a little more exact. A lot of my stuff isn't exact, but sometimes you want it to look close enough. So, alright guys, if you have any questions, let me know below, and thanks for watching. Bye!